Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of an absolutely brilliant show that I just simply can't get enough of. This week's AI challenge pairs a cactus, suggested by Landon, with a pair of skis, presented by Maddie, to keep it seasonal. I mean, come on, when you think of what this might look like, I say, is this going to get bonkers or what? I simply can't wait to see what the folks at Craft Kids TV create, and I have to say, based on the last few weeks, I am equally excited to see what AI congers up here. To say I am on the edge of my seat is simply an understatement. If you are not familiar with the program, grab your popcorn, candy and your favorite unmentionable pop and settle in. The way the show works is someone, and this week it happens to be a couple of the kids over at Craft Kids TV, suggests two or more unlikely things to combine in a fantastic way. Throughout the week, they create their image and produce a video showing what they have come up with. They then show all of us what they have created in a fast-paced video, and later they ask AI to do the same. So, let's buckle up and watch the drama unfold. Just a few more seconds here. First, the kids at Craft Kids TV. Next, AI. Wow, this contains just as many nuts as the squirrel who won't stop putting his acorns in the air filter of my automobile. Look at those two renderings, absolutely spectacular they are. The Craft Kids have a cactus unplugged from the soil who has hopped hands first onto a set of unreasonably fast skis cruising down the mountain. Would you look at that helmet? Safety first, it says. Oh my word, I just can't believe it! While on the other hand, AI has crafted a set of skis with a couple of unconnected and upright cacti, brazen with flowers and spikes. Who knows what will happen here? Two happy faces cruising down the mountain. I simply can't believe the amount of unregistered skiers we have here. Who will crash first? Maybe they will both set some sort of records. This is, as always, a fantastical event, and I am just popping here. Just popping. The only thing left to do is vote. Make sure you cash in your ticket on the Craft Kids TV community page. Please make sure you vote for who you think did it best. Don't forget to share this with anyone you think would want to put their hat in the ring and compete with AI. And as the kids at the TV always say, until we see you next time, keep drawing. Stay awesome. Bye.